Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Excel and signing into your Microsoft account if needed. This makes language packs and settings sync available. Once done, go to File, then Options, so you reach the main Preferences panel. Do not skip this. Make sure Excel is up to date via Account Update options. Updates can add language features. If you're on Windows or Mac, these paths vary slightly, so note which operating system you're using before proceeding to language settings. You now choose Language in the Options dialog and click Add a Language, pick English, and then select the dialect you prefer. US or UK are common. Once added, use the drop-downs to set English as the display and help language and move it to the top of the list so Excel prioritizes it. Make sure to install the proofing tools if prompted. Those handle spell check and grammar. After that, click OK or Apply. Excel may prompt you to restart to finalize the change. You finish by closing and restarting Excel so the new language loads across the interface. Verify the ribbon and menus display English, and test proofing by typing a sentence. If help and tooltips remain in the old language, go back to language settings and confirm English is first in both display and help lists, then restart again. If problems persist, run Office Repair from Control Panel or reinstall the English language pack. This usually resolves corrupted or incomplete installs and restores full English support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.